Okay, we just got this cordless vacuum cleaner from Trucozie. They sent it to us so we could show it to you. And you got the T550 model here. And I took it out and looked at it the other day. I haven't really put it together yet. But there's your roller head there. And of course that's where you insert the tube right there. Okay, you're just going to line up these holes right here. See these holes right about there with these little things right on the back side of that right there. So we're going to line that up and put that on there, and that should just clip on there like that. And then to release it, you just push that little button right there and it's going to release it and let it come back up. But we're going to put that right there. And then this actually extends, which is kind of cool, that you can see if I can do it with one hand here. Where is it? Oh, maybe it's this piece right here. There we go. It's this little button right back here which lets this extend. If my hand is, two hands is better, but one hand is holding the camera. So anyway, it goes up more than that even, but I think you get the gist of it there. And then you can put it to whatever height you like it when you're vacuuming and stuff. And then this part here just snaps on there like that, and then you got that there. And then to release, to open up, when this fills with dust and dirt and stuff, you just pop that little button right there and open that up. And you can actually pull this whole canister off because the filters are inside of here. So you've got a couple of filters up here, and then you can actually take it apart and rinse off that part, that silvery mesh part in there and stuff. So you can get that all cleaned up periodically when it gets all full of dust and dirt and dog hair and other things and stuff. So, and then you got this display screen right here that actually shows you, here's your little buttons here. You got a power button here. You can see it's on low, and then you got this little, see how it went to medium, and then high, and then off. And you can see the battery charge level there. Well, low. That's this one here is plus and minus, but this one is the power button there. But you can see that there was the little battery icons there that show that it's all the way charged up. And you got your little out port right there where you can plug it in. That's where the little cord plugs into in order to charge up the battery there. And this battery actually comes off with this little lever right here. This little button makes it come off here. And then the battery just comes off with that little button right there. And to put it on, you just line it up in that little slot right down there at the bottom with those little ears right there. Just slide those in there. See if I can get that lined up there. And then this will just snap in there. Ta-da! Like that. And you don't even have to take it off to charge it up because you could just charge it from right here if you wanted to. So there's that. And then it comes with all these, the instruction manual and the charging cord and some extra filters. There's an extra paper filter there and the sponge filter there, which is actually, there's one in the model right up in here. When this is off, when you pull this off, you can push those two little ears and it'll just open up that, and you can pull the little filters out of there and you can get it all cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, it's very cool. Let's see how it does here. I haven't vacuumed yet today, so we'll see how it works here. Let's just look at some of the, we got some little debrislets and stuff on the carpet, so let's just see here. Turning the power on. Let's see, got some more debris. You got a light there, so you can see the light is going to help you be able to see. And like if you see the little debrislets there, they're going away. So it is cleaning it up here. Yeah, it's actually doing a good job of some of these little specks there and stuff. Ta-da, all gone. Ta-da, in front of the couch here. Yeah, it's actually doing pretty good. So, and then if you look here in the canister, that's just on low. But you can see, look at the dog hair in there already. Ha ha ha. Wow, that's amazing. I just did it for a few little swipes and you got dog hair in there already. Is that because of you, Pippi? Are you shedding? Yeah, she's always shedding. But anyway, good stuff. Thanks for sending us. This is gonna be really, really handy and very good and easy to use.